Hello everyone, I'm Ranveer Singh and now we are gonna be unboxing the GAN 356M Lite #Cube month. So let's start our video. So in this video we are gonna unbox the cube stand, the GAN Cube Box, and we are gonna look at the cube card. So now let's have a look on the cube card. So there's nothing much to show in this. So next, our cube stand. So let's start unboxing our cube stand. So far our cube stand is looking great and it is in orange color and it says Speed Cuber, Happy Cubing and Cubello. So now let's unbox the GAN 356M Lite. So first let's take a look at the box. It says GAN Cube and it has the GAN logo. So now let's finally start unboxing this. So far I can see many things, but let's start with another cube card. Okay guys, now let's take a look at the accessories box. So let's open it and remove the accessories. So this is the GAN Tutorial Pamplet. It is used to solve a Rubik's Cube. And we also have our GAN pouch in which we can keep our GAN Cube. It is in dark blue color and it has a very smooth texture. So guys, now let's take a look at the GAN Cube Box. So let's open it. And now we got our hands on the GAN 356M Lite. So guys, this cube is very smooth. Now let's see how it turns. It turns very satisfyingly. Okay guys, now let's take a look on its magnets. So this cube has 48 magnets, which is a great amount. Now let's see its corner cutting. Its corner cutting is nice. Now let's take a look on how our GAN cube will look on the cube stand. Now let's check out our pouch. It's very smooth. And now let's put our GAN cube into it. So this pouch prevents our GAN cube from getting any scratches. And these are all of the key features that the GAN 356M Lite comes with. So that's it for today's video guys. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all of the notifications. And I am about to upload a tutorial on how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So please subscribe.